In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify product page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each panel does, and how to confidently tailor the layout so your product pages look professional and on brand. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center. Make sure you're using the account with permission to customize themes, and if you have multiple stores, confirm you're in the right one before you start making changes. Next, head to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where your live theme and any drafts are listed. It's a good habit to note which theme is currently live so you know exactly what customers will see after you save. Find your current theme and click Edit, sometimes labeled Customize depending on your interface. This opens the Visual Theme Editor, where changes are made in a safe preview before they go live. If you're cautious, consider duplicating your theme as a backup first so you can easily roll back if needed. At the top of the editor, open the Page Selector drop-down and choose Products. You'll usually see options like Default Product or other product templates. Pick the template you want to adjust. This tells Shopify which version of the product page you're editing, whether it's the default layout or a specialized template for a certain collection. Now use the left panel to customize the product page. Think of this panel as your building blocks. You can add, remove, hide and reorder sections and blocks to control the layout. Common elements include product media for images and videos, the product title, price, variant picker, quantity selector, and the buy buttons. You can also add description blocks, collapsible tabs for details like materials or shipping, size charts, reviews, and related products. Click any section to open its settings on the right, where you can adjust content, layout, and styling options offered by your theme. Drag sections up or down to prioritize what shoppers see first, like moving images above the title or placing the buy box higher for quicker checkout. As you work, use the device icons to preview on desktop and mobile and check that spacing, text sizes, and buttons look clean. When you're happy, click Save to apply your changes. Give it a moment to process, then preview a real product to confirm everything looks correct and functions as expected. If something feels off, return to the editor, tweak the settings, and save again. With these steps, you can refine your product page to better tell your brand story and improve conversions.